Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is the third example about the topic interior angles of any polygon. This is a checkpoint exercise. This is a checkpoint exam exercise or a GCSE or progression test. I'm going to solve it. I think if I remember good, this one was for 2 or 3 marks. I think 3 marks. Yes, and this is the information given. So I will explain this step by step. So you're welcome. According to the information we have, the information is that A, B, C, D, E, F. So all the shape, which is a polygon, is an hexagon. So hexagon is like a polygon that has 6 sides. Okay, the angle CDE. So CDE, remember that the notation is clear, and we have to remember that the letter in the center. I'm sorry. This is, oh my God. Wait. The letter in the center, let me change the color. The letter in the center, CDE means that the letter D is the vertex. Yes? So it's saying that this angle is equal to 2 times the angle BCD. What is the angle BCD? BCD, so this one, right? Remember that the letter that is in the center, this one, in this case C, is the vertex, okay? So the instruction mentions that these two angles, so this one and this one, have a relationship. Both have a relationship. What is the relation between those two angles? It says that this one is twice this one. Yes? And then the question is, work out the size of the angle CDE. So this one is the question. Okay? So for this exercise, I'm going to call the angle the angle BCD. Yes, I'm going to call that I'm going to call it with the letter X. Yes, that angle CDE, BCD, I'm going to call it with the letter X. And the other one, I'm going to call it with the information that is provided here. Yes, it says that the angle D is twice the other one. Yes, the angle CDE is twice the other one. So 2x. Yes, that is the information that I received. Yes, so let's use the formula. The sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 times n minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to add, I'm going to add this angle plus 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 this angle. Yes, I'm going to do it. Let's do it step by step. So let's start. I'm going to change the color again. I'm going to change the color. Let's use the blue one. So 129 plus 144 plus 121 plus 2x plus x plus 125 is equal to 180 times n minus 2. Remember that n is the number of the sides of the polygon. How many sides does this polygon have? Remember, the information says that this hexagon is an hexagon, so it means it has 6 sides. So now it's time to combine like terms. So I will combine the like terms. All these, the numbers that I am highlighting, are like terms. Yes? Which are the other like terms? The other like terms are 2x and x. So it's time to work, okay? So I'm going to add or combine like terms. 129 plus 144 plus 144 plus 121 plus 125, that's equal to 519. 519 plus 2x plus x is 3x. Yes, is 3x. That is equal to 180 times 4. Why 4? Because n is 6. 6 minus 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, so in other words, I'm going to multiply 180 times 4. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now it's time to continue applying pendas. So I'm going to solve this multiplication. So I have 519 plus 3x equals 180 times 4. 180 times 4 is 720. Now I will move the 519 to the other side to isolate the variable or leave the variable alone. I have that 3x is equal to 720 minus 519. Minus 519. Yes, so I'm going to solve that part. So I have that 3x is equal to 201. 201. Now I will leave the variable alone. I'm going to move the 3 to the other side, dividing, because 3 is multiplying the x. So I have that x is equal to 201 over 3. So x is equal to 201 divided by 3 is equal to 67. Sorry, I wrote it ugly. 67. Wait. Let's write it here. Give me a while. So we will say that x is equal to 67. 67 degrees. So, but the question is, work out the size of this angle. So if the angle is x is 67, it says 2 times x. So the measurement of the angle, so this is the answer, the angle CVE, I'm going to change the color again to write the final answer. Okay, let's use this yellow. I'll say that 2 times x, but x is 67. So 67 times 2 is 134. So the angle CVE, so this one is equal to 134. Because we multiply 2 times the value of x. All right, guys, this was a third example about the sum of the interior angles in any polygon. Thanks for watching, and I will record 2 more. See you in the next 2 videos. Bye-bye.